The instant success of helicopter operations seemed to prove that the approach favored by the Americans was the right one. What U.S. advisors wanted now was more and bigger offensive operations. The greatest need was for more helicopters, and the Americans quickly provided them. A series of government victories followed, and soon it looked as if the South Vietnamese army might, in the not-too-distant future, actually defeat the guerrillas. In July 1962, General Paul D. Harkins, head of the U.S. Military Assistance Command in Saigon, reported to Washington that tremendous progress was being made in South Vietnam. It was just what President Kennedy wanted to hear, and in the White House there was a deep sense of relief. They hoped they could bring home all U.S. military personnel by the end of 1965.